In this video you will learn how to uninstall the Truecaller from Android phone. Open settings on your phone, go to the phone settings app from your home screen or app drawer. This is where you can manage all installed applications. Tap on Apps or Application Manager, scroll down and select on Apps or Application Manager depending on your device model. This will show you a list of apps installed on your phone. Find and select Truecaller. Scroll for the list and tap on Truecaller. This will open the app's detailed page, where you can manage storage, permissions and uninstall options. Tap on Uninstall. On the Truecaller app info screen, tap the Uninstall button and a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the app. Confirm Uninstall. Press OK and click Uninstall again to confirm your actions. The app will now be removed from your Android device. Remove default caller ID. If prompted to, go to phone settings, caller ID or spam, default caller app, and change it back to your phone's default dialer to avoid any calling issues. Now you know. Now you know how to uninstall the Truecaller from your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.